Alright, here's the bathroom update. The AC unit's been put in. The flooring has all been put in. As you can see, here's our window. As soon as they get ready to put that, well, it's going to be a 4 foot, almost a 4 foot by 4 foot window. That's where the bathtub goes. Got the shower. So nice. Toilet area. And the washer and dryer area. Here's where the vanity, we're having the vanity built. A custom top on it. It's going to cover that whole area right there, so it's going to be a big one. Alright, that's it. One more shot of the shower.